Hello everybody, it's time for the annual sprinkler walk around just to make sure all the heads are working properly and everything is in good order. Do test all valves, nice and easy movement of the control knob, 2 minutes. Move that up to 3 minutes and just simply press start, manual start, and it's good to go. Zone 1 is working. No problems that I can see. And here's what the heads are. What are those? Rainbird 5000s. Never had any trouble with them. Zone 2. Looks like we're all good here. Looks fine. All good to go there. Next we'll wait on zone 3 to pop. Should be coming up any moment. Here it goes. Looks like everything's chooching right along. I'm trying this style of head over here. It seems to be working well. I had a dry spot through here. It's really helped alleviate that. So zone 3 is working well. May end up going to all these as these older ones fail. Zone 4. Looks to be in order. And there's one head down there too. So zone 4 looks to be in good shape. Zone 5 should be coming next. Here we go. Very good. Zone 5. So head there. Another one. But that one might be leaking just a little bit, but it's not too big a deal. There's that one here, and then the one right by the fence. Perfect. Not a problem. Go to zone 6. It's within the tropicals where all the lines come out. It's the drip irrigation for this side and the front side. And zone 6 is on. You can see the soaker hoses chooching along. Next will be zone 7. There it goes. Working well. There's a big cucumber there. Those are easy to miss down there on the ground like that. Next will be zone 8. There goes zone 8. Shooting right along. Looks like that needs a little more. There it goes. Perfect. Just what I'm looking for right there. Zone 9 will be next. There's zone 9. Not bad, not bad. And of course, zone 10 will be this flower bed. So we'll go down this way and we'll wait on zone 10 as the male is coming. There it goes. Perfect. Well, it looks like everything is working beautifully. Last zone on the test cycle. We're set on auto. I've got all my programs set. Everything's should be ready to go. So once again, this has been the annual checkup of my sprinkler system. Thank you for watching.